Goodbye swelling. Today, I will explain 8 collagen-rich foods that you must eat for your legs and joints. By the time you reach the age of 65, your body produces less than half the amount of collagen it did in your youth. This limits the ability of nearly one-third of adults to walk, garden, or stand for long periods of time. However, 99% of older adults are unaware that simple foods can quickly replenish this collagen. New studies show that certain collagen-rich foods not only slow down joint deterioration, they can reverse inflammation, improve mobility, and reduce leg swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. In this video, we rank the top 5 collagen-rich foods that combat swelling, rebuild joints, and strengthen your legs, from least to most powerful. Before you start, if you care about joint and leg health, hit the like button, leave a comment below about where you're watching from, and subscribe for weekly videos that will help you feel stronger, live longer, and stay vibrant after 60. Let's start with something old, comforting, and quite effective: bone broth. Some call it liquid gold, and for good reason. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering chicken, beef, or fish bones for hours. This process releases collagen, gelatin, and vital amino acids that act like tiny repairs for your joints and connective tissues. Collagen acts like glue that holds your joints together. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, which can lead to creaky knees, sore hips, and swollen ankles. Bone broth helps naturally replenish your collagen stores, but it's not just about collagen. Bone broth contains proline and glycine amino acids, which reduce inflammation, support cartilage regeneration, and act as a cushion-like substance that prevents your bones from rubbing against each other. Imagine this: you're sipping a warm cup of bone broth, and a quiet miracle is unfolding inside your body. Your tissues are relaxing, your joints are being supported, and your legs are growing stronger. Drink a glass of homemade or store-bought organic bone broth every morning or evening. You can enjoy it plain or use it as a base for soups and stews. To help extract more nutrients from the bones, add a little apple cider vinegar during cooking. Bone broth doesn't just warm your stomach. It warms and heals your joints from the inside out. I have a question for you. Have you ever tried bone broth? Did you notice any difference in how your body felt? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's move on to our second collagen-containing recommendation. Don't underestimate the humble egg. Inside that little shell is a nutritional powerhouse that supports collagen production, muscle strength, and joint flexibility. Eggs are rich in proline, one of the amino acids needed to produce collagen. They also contain vitamin D, sulfur, and B vitamins, which are necessary for keeping joints healthy and bones strong. As we age, our collagen naturally decreases, and if we don't get enough protein, our bodies can't even produce the collagen needed to keep us mobile. That's when cracks literally start to appear in our knees, hips, and lower backs. Eggs aren't just easy to digest, they're also one of the most complete protein sources. Especially if you are over 60 and need to maintain muscle mass and cartilage integrity. They also contain choline, which supports joint lubrication and reduces stiffness, making it a secret weapon against morning pain. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or even baked as a vegetable omelet. Aim to eat 1 to 2 eggs daily, especially at breakfast. Combine them with leafy greens for a collagen-boosting combo. Every egg you eat is like a mini health boost for your joints, muscles, and energy. By the way, I'd love it if you could share how you like to eat your eggs in the comments. They also contain choline, which supports joint lubrication and reduces stiffness, making it a secret weapon against morning pain. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or even baked as a vegetable omelet. Aim to eat 1 to 2 eggs daily, especially at breakfast. Combine them with leafy greens for a collagen-boosting combo. Every egg you eat is like a mini health boost for your joints, muscles, and energy. By the way, I'd love it if you could share how you like to eat your eggs in the comments. Omega-3 South directly combat this inflammation. They calm overactive immune responses, ease stiffness, and nourish tissues. They also strengthen heart and brain health. Salmon also supports muscle strength, which is very important. Weak leg muscles put more pressure on your knees and hips, which can worsen pain. However, eating 1 to 2 servings of fish per week can help address this issue. Yes, some people don't like eating fish, but that's not a problem. You can use fish oil supplements to achieve similar benefits. If you're looking for a powerful yet effortless way to rebuild your joint structure, collagen peptides could be your secret weapon. Also known as hydrolyzed collagen, these collagen proteins are broken down into small, easily digestible pieces, which means your body can absorb them quickly and effectively. Think of it as collagen in its most biologically available form. After age 60, your natural collagen production can drop by up to 30%. This is like removing the cushioning under your joints. The result? Cracking in the knees, stiffness in the hips, and pain in the legs after standing. Collagen peptides get to work immediately and help with repairing damaged cartilage, increase skin and joint elasticity, reduce pain and stiffness, rebuild connective tissue in your knees, ankles, and hips. Some studies suggest that combining collagen peptides with vitamin C can help your body produce more collagen. Collagen peptides are like a supplement for your aching joints. They act quickly, are effective, and provide deep healing. So how do you use collagen peptides? Actually, these peptides are tasteless and dissolve in hot or cold liquids. Here's how you can use them. Add them to your morning coffee, smoothies, soups, oatmeal, or yogurt. A daily dose can make a real difference in just a few weeks. Now, I want to talk about a food that people often recommend: greens. You've probably heard the phrase "eat your greens" a million times, but did you know that they are also important for collagen production and joint health? While greens don't contain collagen, they are packed with vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which are essential building blocks for collagen. If you don't eat enough leafy greens, your body can't produce collagen even if you eat all the collagen-rich foods in the world. It's like trying to build a house without nails. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which helps keep bones strong, and it prevents calcium buildup in joints, a common cause of pain and stiffness in older adults. Leafy greens may be humble, but they form the foundation for stronger joints, better circulation, and a vibrant, active life. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula aren't just salad ingredients. They're joint-protecting superheroes, reduce inflammation, prevent cartilage breakdown. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula aren't just salad ingredients. They're joint-protecting superheroes. Reduce inflammation, prevent cartilage breakdown. Support collagen synthesis, improve blood circulation to your legs and joints. The best ways to get your greens: add a handful to smoothies. Saute with garlic and olive oil, add them to soups or omelets. Mix them into whole grain pasta or stews. Now, a question for you: which greens are your go-to? Do you prefer raw spinach in salads or sautéed cabbage for dinner? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. Let's take a moment to reflect. You've just learned about 5 collagen-rich, joint-loving superfoods that could truly change the way you move, feel, and live. Bone broth, your collagen-rich, healing elixir. Eggs, nature's protein-rich leg and joint support. Salmon, anti-inflammatory and joint-repairing powerhouse. Collagen peptides, the easy, absorbable miracle. Leafy greens, the essential collagen co-pilots. Now imagine waking up with less swelling, easier steps, and the freedom to move without fear. These are not just ingredients, they're your tools for transformation. You don't have to live with joint pain. You don't have to accept weak legs as your new normal. You can take simple, daily steps like choosing the right breakfast or sipping a healing broth that support your body's natural ability to repair, restore, and renew. Change doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with one food, one choice, one step, and then another. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for weekly health inspiration. Share it with a friend who needs some extra support or someone you love. See you in the next video. Bye.